Ye ka say transfer market no a bie yeah streaming me so be the message by say pepe Kotoko board no mo ye adwuma so mo ye in silence don't surprise you bia if it is like that very good sanity here pa but me maka say a brain yo me diema G League was the recruitment ase Hearts of Folk Eddie Ted was the recruitment ase Adriana Football Club meaning Adriana the 5th was a recruitment ase in fact Dreams FC was a recruitment ase Kotoko the 8th Kotoko cannot relax especially because Kotoko ebe lose players Kotoko ebe lose players na sa players Kotoko lose no kra no apart from me makase Kotoko mpam obia enya so obia ntra but ton no mpam no ton no boys no omo wo deal se omo to omo meka nkere mo ton no mpam no ene de be tsa futu na ma board ndada yanko yani odo wani kirem ewo crop ya Asante Kotoko metema ye ka say abrantia ne din ede Albert Amwa enra exclusively me ka chemo say makodin komo ewo ugly Benghazi in Libya Tripoli ewo Libya Benghazi kurum na nkomodi amikodi ye no abesi so say abrantia on ugly Benghazi any contract biem eti team bi a open bia no you don't talk to Ali Benghazi and when you're contracted to Kotoko so you don't talk to Kotoko you talk to Albert Amwa and Albert Amwa me no ka say Midiama Sporting Club Midiama my brother Midiama ade omo contract first contract proposal offer adiama Albert Amwa so Albert Amwa Asante Kotoko striker no okura a contract offer from Midiama Sporting Club and the amount involved masa anohye ebiom Midiama are offering something huge. Again, Midiama are offering the platform of CAF Champions League. Yana Sanyomano play a lot. Midiama offer the option, sir, Yadoko about CAF Champions League. And Obi Ben Abatamwa, the Obekachas Abet. When they Kotoko ball, Confederations Cup Mpona, Sad Dune Baya Oko Libiano. Tebia unya Champions League bar. Obasa kwa bonte and Abatamwa met my catcher was ne few months ago di ewo Libya no bra sika boy no swaba fie ni sika ketwa sika de odi bi ba fie pa so Albert Amwa is a free agent. Albert Amwa has been contacted by Midiama. Albert Amwa yeah kase Asante Kotoko board no if they want to maintain him they would have to double up their efforts. I know a short one on Albert Amwa. Mami Sanfan to you say agent to be a year a juma so between the Albert Amwa ako Tanzania. Agent to be a year juma so between at the Albert ako Tanzania. Na Albert akusia kan ewo Tanzania league nim. Ehon so sika no mo ofa no ewo soro sika no mo ofa no ewo soro. So Albert Amwa a player obetima ko piem ewo Tanzania. Meti Eastern Africa. But my name say Kenya, say Zambia. I can't be specific because I don't have that details. But agency, no, or here Juma say Tanzania, and now say Eastern Africa, oh baby, Obenya team, at Albert Amwa Ako. The American say deals na agency na air permanent, you know. The Sikan be swakra, the bus market to ebe swakra, ebe $5,000 a month. That's the swakra, and no air the yache get the Emma war. Asante Kotoko so here. Ya guys will be invade obi campus out here, will be invade. Obetray you the west storm was storming ho. Now invade and answer o storm baby a. Upie ko eti because we be ransack area no. Ransack. Met ma catch us Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Wamo a board of directors and decided say wamo a top notch established centre back at Naba. Top notch established centre back or established in the Ghana Premier League. Abrante, he's been linked to Kotoko in the last 2 transfer windows. Mami Nations FC captain Razak Simpson. Razak Simpson. Yakasa Nations, they've been relegated to the Division 1 League. Omboga Kobo Ewo Zone 2 of Division 1 League, you know. And Nations, Abrante de Razak Simpson, the Nations for credit himself, Sabin Penfo Nima onye Division 1 player. And Penfo himself onye Division 1 player. And Boyno will also wish to leave with the right opportunity. He will wish to leave. The Kotoko board of directors, Oma making Razak Simpson a top transfer target. Top transfer target. And obey priority signing at the Asante Kotoko. I think you know why. Kotoko started season with 3 top centre backs. Samba Unel, Joseph Ablon, and Abrante at the Henry Ansu. 3 way in Ako. 3 in every Kotoko. And to the next target, you know, Kotoko Air will be a top notch. And that top notch, you know, Abrante did Razak Simpson, a player, Kotoko a targeted pa, say Omo Ednebaba, Asante Kotoko Bobo Kurum. We a exclusive, ye reveal at the amount. Still at Nations FC. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nations wa. Fa Emmanuel Annor etu page no so ema me. Me da se pa no nie. Emmanuel Annor. Annor de mame mfa caveat emfa nto ho. Mame open window kakra. Annor ekokodi a month and some days or yemfa say 2 months or Moldova. Annor ekoye try out with Moldovan club by friend Sheriff Tiraspol. It's your Sheriff. No question from the ET, and yan modemo and answer Sheriff Tiraspol for any nyamodemo. It had more to do with Sikasam arrangement, you know, and na Emma Emmanuel Annor assign by no. Enti Annor de beer na Sheriff Tiraspol for assign babaka. And you bet my catcher say that will be the priority for the player. But Sankwa Sheriff Tiraspol for no. And a bepamudia and you kumase Asante Kotoko. Wama decided say because they are losing the services of Omo Winger. Nidi cry say Abrante friend say what is the name of this young man? Peter Amidu Aqua. Was it Peter Amidu Aqua? The contract with Kotoko Asun, Peter Amidu Aqua, on extending the deal no Enfama Krobia Asante Kotoko. So because Peter Amidu Aqua extending the deal no Enfama Asante Kotoko, Kotoko a replacement and the ideal player Kotoko for, and so identify that one. Abrante and the thing at the Emmanuel Annor of Nations. Annor, he guarantee goals. He will guarantee you good football in terms of play, or guarantee you assist, or guarantee chances creation. He create chances. Emmanuel Annor ever guarantee us adian. And unti crop ya Asante Kotoko tema. Empenny for a decided say Nations FC or my boy no. Emmanuel Annor ɛnso ɛyɛ another player ɔno nso ɔmo ɛbɛfa no ɛde na free nations. And in fact Mr. Kotoko wɔn kɔ ne sɛ awenade no ɔmo ani abere Kotoko ɛde proposal sometimes ɛyɛ irresistible proposals ne bi ɛna ɔmo decide sɛ wɔn ɛde kɔ akɔma club na yɛfrɛ sɛ Nations FC. In fact per deɛ metie no Kotoko targeted about 4 players from Nations, but 2 way na abeto dwa metimi di amount. 2 way there metimi reveal at the amount. 2 way metimi bosso at the amount. But per the info equipment about 4 players and Kotoko targeted, but 2 I hear mo passes here in Manimiano. Razak Simpson and a branch editing at the Emmanuel Annor. Maybe ho young queen. Asante Kotoko ni abreno. Midiama Zwania brepa. Midiama Sporting Club Omania brepa. Somebody kaka one of former Kotoko player. Is a man friend former.
Aren't you the guy from the Epiphany